Alright, let's talk about some of the features on this here trike as Rex checks it out, see what he thinks of it. No, Rex! No! Okay, you got to do it, Bentley? Yes, of course. Alright. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about this MoonCool TK1 foldable electric trike. I want to start this off by telling you I love this thing. MoonCool sent me an email, asked me if I'd be interested in doing a review on this, and I was like, absolutely. But I want to talk about I'll go over all the features of this. Right now I just want to discuss who I think really can benefit from this. And that's seniors, us seniors. You guys know I used to love riding my bike. I have a Trek. I used to love riding it down the trail, going down to Heritage Port, making videos with it. Well, it's hard. I'm 68 years old now, 260 pounds. So it's gotten too hard to reach out for the handlebars. I'm fighting shoulder problems, and it really limits what I'm able to do, and I hate that. This gets rid of all those limits, right? This is so perfect for seniors, right? Especially the ones that like to be outside and like to ride, right? The problem with the regular bicycle nowadays is, you get fatigued. You're pedaling. We have hills and stuff around here, and it gets more and more difficult, right? And like I said, the reaching out, the leaning over, and stopping and leaning the bike to catch yourself, and then pedal to take off, and invariably you're doing this as you take off, and that can be scary in the streets. This thing, none of that. This is very, very sturdy. You feel safe on it. There's no balance issues. You know, when you come to a stop, you just stop. You don't have to catch it or lean into it or anything. And when you take off, you just hit the throttle or pedal. That's all you have to do. It's not going side to side. The thing is great for that. The step through. It's very easy to mount and dismount this bike because you just step through and then sit on the seat and put your feet on the pedals. And you can hit the throttle and take off. You don't have to use the pedals at all. It has pedal assists, 5 levels of pedal assist, that you can get your exercise. You can, pedal it with the pedal assist. The motor just helps you go, is what it does. It doesn't propel you, it helps you propel. 5 different levels of it, 5 different speeds it'll maintain for you as you're pedaling. Or you can go with just throttle. Or you can go with nothing and just simply pedal your way. The thing is just, the limits I was running into on my trek, this eliminated. Because I can go as far as I want. I can stay out longer. I can go further. And I can reliably make it back. I'm not going to be fatigued to where I can't make it back. I got to call Gail and come and get me somewhere with the truck. And I've had to do that before. I'll overextend myself on the bike. And then realize I really don't, I can't pedal all the way back home. So this eliminates all that. Another great thing about this, there's no registration, there's no license, there's no insurance, there's no gas, there's no oil. You just go. And these batteries, I know enough about batteries now from solar that, these batteries, you'll go thousands of miles on these things. They're just, for seniors, I can't think of anything lately that's been as cool as this coming out. That's one of the things I love about this. And like I said, when MoonCool emailed me and asked me if I want to do this review, I was like, hell yes. I've been wanting to for a while. Alright, let's talk about a couple of features on this trike that I really like. Number one, the orange. It's Emmy orange. It reminds me so much of the Mopar muscle cars from the 70s. When I saw that they were shipping me orange, I was so happy. But I think there's like 6 or 7 other colors you can pick from. It comes with the front and rear baskets. A weight limit of 450 pounds. So it has no problems handling my 260 pounds plus whatever I want to haul. The thing is great. It's very, very sturdy, very strong feeling. You feel very confident on it. It's got a rear differential. I don't know if you can see that or not. If you don't know what a rear differential is, go watch my cousin Vinny. Mona Lisa Vito explains it really well. But basically, it sends power to the wheels separately to the ones that need it, like for turning. The outside wheel needs more power than the inside wheel, and this differential takes care of that. If you don't have the rear differential, if it's just a straight axle, then you bind it going around. It makes turns a lot easier. A 500 watt motor with 1,000 watts peak, which will take you up the hills without a problem. A 48 volt, 14.5 amp hour battery. Nice battery. This has a range of 35 to 70 miles, depending on the pedal assist you use and the terrain. If it's all hills, then it's not going to last as long, obviously. But that's plenty of power. A maximum speed of 16 miles per hour. I have been on it. I have ridden. I got 7 or 8 miles on it now. And 16 miles an hour is plenty fast enough. You feel very secure on this. Oh, what else can I talk about? It's a single speed. You don't have all the gears if you want to go pedal only, and you can basically turn the battery off and pedal it like a trike, a single speed trike. What I like about that, number one, is the simplicity. You don't have derailleurs to mess with. You don't have all the extra sprockets. It's very simple to operate this. As a senior, I appreciate that. Front suspension, headlights, tail lights, brake lights, turn signals, you name it. It's got the headlight. It has tail lights, 3 tail lights and brake lights back here. Turn signals. It has 5 pedal assist levels. And by pedal assist, I mean you put it on level 1 and you pedal. The motor will kick in and help you maintain a speed of around 7.5 miles per hour. If you go up to level 2, you're pedaling, it'll take you up to about 8.5 miles an hour, maybe 9. 3, each one goes a little bit faster. I got up to, pedal assist 4 and 5, and basically I was ghost pedaling because it's going faster than I can pedal it. Or you can just go full throttle. It doesn't matter. You don't have to pedal at all. It's really great when you come to a stop. You don't have to lean. You don't have to put your foot down and try to balance everything. You just sit there. It's great for me because the way you sit on it, I don't have, my shoulder problems that I've been dealing with. I don't bend over and stretch out to get to the handlebars. They're just right there. Very comfortable handles. Got your horn and turn signals, your display. It's just a great little trike. I keep calling it a bike, but it's a trike. But my first trip on this was I put the gas can in the basket in the back and rode it up to the gas station to get gas for the lawnmower. Rode my electric trike to the gas station to get gas so I could come back home and mow the grass. But I'm going to take this thing to Kroger's and buy groceries. I'm going to take it up to Pike Island. That's about 15 miles. Next week I'm going to drive it up there. With pedal assist, I mean, this has a range, they say, of 35 to 70 miles per hour, or 70 miles. And a lot of that depends on the terrain you're going through and how much pedal assist you use. The more you help the bike, the longer distance you can get out of the battery before it needs a recharge. Now, the ride up to Pike Island, a lot of that is nice and flat, easy terrain. So I will be pedaling with the assistance of the motor, not depending entirely on the motor. And that 1,000-watt peak, going up those inclines, really, I mean, it just makes it a breeze. So yeah, I like it a lot. The bike came 95% complete. All I had to do was put on the front tire, the basket, and the handlebars. I had to put on the back fenders. Now, all the reviews I saw before, I think the back fenders came already on. I don't know. The bike, this is like the latest version of it. All the other versions that I saw reviews on, the motor had a peak of 750 watts. This has a peak of 1,000 watts. And that 250 watts going up an incline makes a huge difference. And for you preppers, how cool is this going to be after SHTF? You got to go out and scout around. You want to go search for supplies. Super stealthy. You can be quiet. Paint this thing black and all the black wheels. Yeah, think about that one. Because you're not going to be able to get gas. But my solar will charge this thing without a problem. So you'll have mobility. I mean, this could be a thing at your compound. You might want a couple, 3 of these things. Because, like I said, then you can go out and scout. You can go out and scavenge for supplies if you need to. I just thought of that one. Remember, if you like this, you're interested in purchasing one, follow the link down at below the video in the description. There'll be the link. Let me know what you think about them. I think they're great. This is Joe giving you my review on the MoonCool TK1 folding electric trike. Peace out, everyone. I'm out.